My neighbor has white teeth as a 4-year-old girl thanks to this. Resolved in 5 days. Spotted or yellow teeth can occur as we age. But also some foods, drinks, and even mouthwashes can stain the teeth. You can whiten your teeth using home remedies and avoiding foods that stain your teeth. What foods and products stain teeth? The cigar is one of the worst cause of putting yellow teeth, besides that is not good for your health. Then follow coffee, tea, fruit juices like grape juice or cranberry juice and soda cola. In addition, all foods that can stain a white cotton blouse can stain your teeth as well. One way to prevent getting stained is to rinse your mouth after drinking. Tips. 1. An easy, cheap and natural remedy for teeth whitening is to use the peel of the melon. After brushing your teeth, simply rub the inside of the melon shell over your teeth for 2 minutes. The remedy is repeated every day until you have the desired results. 2. There is a popular remedy for whitening yellow teeth, that is to brush with strawberry pulp. However, this remedy if used very often can damage the enamel of the teeth. 3. Another home remedy for teeth whitening is to gently rub the teeth with the pulp of an eggplant. Traditional remedy for white teeth. 1. Brushing your teeth helps prevent stains and yellow teeth, especially on the gum line. The general recommendation is to brush after each meal or at least twice a day. 2. It is also very important to floss to clean teeth. Electric toothbrushes may be better than traditional toothbrushes to remove tartar and stains on teeth. Consider investing in one of those brushes.